everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making fairy bread. Take some butter and smear that across the bread, making sure we get all the way to the edges because we know we want those sprinkles, those hundreds and thousands, to cover every bit of it. So grab yourself some hundreds of thousands now. You can either shake them over the top, chuck them at it. I'm just going to grab a spoon and give it a sprinkle just to make sure I get enough coverage on this. It's a great recipe for kids' parties, but I know that all you adults out there would still love to have fairy bread. So I like to cut mine into small triangles. I leave the crust on there because I think it's great just to be able to pick it up and have a handle. Yum, that is delicious. Buttery, sweet, colourful. What more can you ask for? Now follow that recipe, make as many as you want for as many guests as you have. It'll never be disappointing. If you've liked this video, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. See you next week.